Well, let's see what we got here. Here are the dogs. Looking all good, okay. And, well, looks like somebody got into the trash. I wonder who it was. So the trash is now all over the kitchen. Who was it? Was it Garen? Might have been Garen. Was it Bernie? Nah, he's not looking too bad. Let's see who it is. Oh. Was it Ollie? Ollie? Did you do that? Did you rip open the trash? Oh, Ollie. That's a bad girl. We don't do that here, do we? Let's go check it out again. Oh, looks like we had some In-N-Out for lunch. Looks like there's some oats in there. Let's see what else. Oh, Powerades. Oh, maybe some eggs. And great. That's just great. Well, I think we know who did this. Definitely wasn't Bernie. Ollie? Ollie? Was this you?